Good afternoon, dear subscribers and our guests. Dark Kvass, sometimes called red Kvass. This is the one we're used to, considering the most authentic, if you remember the Soviet years. It's made from rye malt, with the addition of rye flour. The malt and flour are first roasted, which produces the Kvass wort. This is how dark Kvass gets its aroma of baked bread crust and a caramel touch. This drink is better enjoyed on its own. For okroshka, it might seem too sweet, though it's really a matter of taste. White Kvass, the older sibling of rye Kvass, is lighter with a distinct tartness, and it's wonderfully refreshing. It may lack the noble, sweet notes of molasses and caramel, but for okroshka or sapolnik, there's no better base. The bold character of white Kvass can be enhanced even further with mustard, grated horseradish, or lemon juice. In fact, manufacturers now produce it with these additives already included, specifically for summer soups. Here's another interesting option: on the house. Combine white Kvass with garden berries, using black or red currant juice, blueberries or sea buckthorn, and add some mint leaves. You get a simple cocktail with an invigorating effect. Perfect for the summer heat. To be continued. Stay with us.